What up, everybody? How you doing? How you been? My name is Momo, and today I'm just gonna skip the intro and get straight into the high taper self-cut tutorial. So what I'm doing right now is part my hair with the comb, and now I'm taking out number 4 guard level all the way open to even out the hair across the head. Okay, now we're gonna be creating the initial guideline using a trimmer, and we'll be creating an initial guideline a little bit higher than the usual because it's high taper. So the initial guideline kind of ends where the C curve of your hairline starts, as you can see it right here, and shave off the hair on the bottom. And we're moving on to the clipper, no guard, lever all the way open, and we'll be creating the second guideline. And since this is a taper cut, we won't go up inch above the initial guideline, but rather we'll go a little bit halfway there. So it's a half an inch, I'll say like 1.5 centimeters, not even 1.5, like I'll say 1 centimeter, a very tiny little bit. And take out your number 1 guard, which is 3mm in length, put it on your clipper, lever all the way open. We'll be creating the third guideline right above your second guideline. Once again, don't go up too high, and that will be up for about half an inch or like 1 centimeter. And at this stage, what I'm trying to do is to create a third guideline, but also I'm trying to go above my ear as well, like behind the ear a little bit and right above the ear, so that at the end it will look very nice. You will see, but this is a very important tip. The tutorial is going fast, but we keep going. So take out your number 2 guard, and this time lever all the way open. We're not trying to create the 4th guideline here. We're trying to blend that fade into the hair, which we've evened out with number 4 guard, lever all the way open. And as you can see it right here, with the lever all the way open, I'm softening the transition, and as I'm going down a little bit, I'm closing up the lever so that it blends in. It just gives a better smooth transition. And now take off your guard, no guard, lever all the way closed. Now we're gonna be taking out all that guidelines that we've created. So we'll be taking off with the initial guideline, and I'm not trying to dig in, I'm not trying to create another guideline here. I'm just using the corner of my blade and flicking out motion, trying to blend in. And no guard, open up the lever all the way. Same thing, I'm trying to erase that second guideline that we've created earlier. I'm using corner of my blade, going back and forth to kind of blend in, make it better transition right here. Alright, so we'll be complete the fade with the number 1 guard, lever all the way open. I'm using the corner of my blade once again. This is super important. Don't ever dig anything. And I'm just hit that dark spot. You can tell the dark spot right here, the transition is not so great. I'm hitting it with corner of my blade back and forth, and I'm also closing up the lever if necessary, right? And at the end, I'm using number 3 guard. This is just a touch up. I'm trying to blend in completely, just finishing up the work of the fade. The back fade is essentially the same step with the fading on the side, except it's on the back and it's harder. So take your time, use your mirror, and make sure all the guidelines are horizontal and even from the left side and the right side, because that's the one problem that sometimes I face. Sometimes the left side is crooked or something like that, so make sure both sides are even, and all the steps are basically the same. And so what I like to do is I create all my guidelines first and then erase each guideline so that I know where I am in the step. Alright, and if this is your first time watching Duck Bobber on YouTube and this self-cut tutorial series, make sure to hit that subscribe button, because you know I do crazy contents like this and you won't want to miss all of my self-cut tutorials. Thanks. And yeah, so I always end my self-cut with, you know, etching up my hairline. And I like to make it my hairline crisp, so like a box shape. So I'm taking my time back and forth, looking at the mirror. I'm just, you know, making it look like Roblox shape, Minecraft shape, super sharp shape, box shape, perpendicular 90-degree shape. So yeah, take your time, and it's definitely worth it. Honestly, self-cut is saving me tons of money. I feel like I haven't gone to barber for like 4 years, so I probably spent like more than 1,000 euros, $1,000. So yeah, I highly recommend doing the self-cut. Everyone will make a mistake in the first time. It will get better over time, so keep trying. And if you have any questions or comments, make sure to leave a message below, and I'll try to respond as much as I can.
Thank you guys for watching, and if you like my self-cut tutorial, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and see you soon. Boost!